Craving a quick and healthy meal? Try out this no bread instant healthy sandwich. Hi friends, for making this, I am taking 3 boiled potatoes and mashed them. Then I am adding 1 tablespoon of onion, 1 tablespoon of tomatoes, next 2 to 3 chilies because I don't prefer red chili. Next add some fresh coriander leaves. It's time to add rock salt as per taste. Next add half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Lastly add quarter teaspoon of black salt. Mixed all it nicely. Lastly squeeze half lemon and keep it aside. Now let's make our base for the sandwiches. I am taking 1 cup of besan, also known as chickpea flour. This besan is high in fiber, thus fill you for longer time. Add water. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, rock salt as per your taste, and mixed all the ingredients. Once they are mixed, let's heat a tawa and grease some oil. I am using mustard oil. You can also use Desi ghee if you are not vegan. Spread it nicely and slowly. Once it is golden brown in color, cut it into a square to make the shape of bread and transfer it, and let's make our rest one's bases for our sandwich. Now our soft, spongy, easy and healthy homemade breads are ready. These breads are literally incredible. It's time to assemble this sandwich. I am add the potatoes on the base of the sandwich. I'm adding the layer of potatoes at the base so that you can enjoy the nugget bite and comfort bite of potatoes in every bite of your sandwich. Add some vegetables like onion, tomatoes and capsicum because I love the crunch of these vegetables, also the taste. And lastly cover it the sandwich and cut it into half. Our homemade healthy sandwich is ready. Serve it immediately so that it does not become moist, and you can enjoy this sandwich in your fitness journey and comment your thoughts in the comment box. Serve it with chutney or any other dip. Please like to this video and subscribe to my channel. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.